Hello, this is Travis, and I have released the Chronos Trials RPG demo today. I'm very excited to share with you what I've done. I think I've worked really hard on it, and there's a lot I'm excited to show you. So I'm going to show you how to install the game today, because some of you might be struggling with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our website. If we go back a little bit, bear with me. There we go. Alright, so this is the main website. We can see a few screenshots here. We can see the trailers in the top right as well. That was quite loud. But yes, we have the description just here, and we have the download button. So we're going to just click on this, and we're going to go to downloads. There we are. So we do have the instructions down here. You can see it's a bit of a process when it comes to Android, but this is really straightforward, and I'll show you how to do that. If we're doing the Windows option, if you want to play it on PC instead, it's really simple. You just download the exe file, and you'll see it's literally a case of running that file. And the first time you do it, you'll be able to choose where it installs to, but I've already chosen, so yeah, doing this will just take a couple of seconds. There we are. Give it a sec. There we go. Cool. So that's literally how long it takes to install, and then it will be in your files wherever you've chosen for it to be, and it's literally a case of going in there and choosing the exe file, and you can see that that is now started. So that is all you have to do when it comes to Windows. Now the issue with the Android version, currently it is not in an APK form. That is because I've got some plugins and like code that doesn't actually work on mobile, it turns out. It does work if I do it within one of these two softwares, so it's fully functional, fully playable as intended, but if I turn it into an APK inside like the Android environment, it breaks a few things. So I'm going to need to redo quite a bit of the game, and obviously I didn't have time to do that before I went on my holiday, so this is the best way you can play the game currently. When the game actually releases, I'll do everything I can to make it an APK just so it's actually installable. But yes, so we have two options. You either have to install JoyPlay or Maldives, or Maldives, however you want to pronounce it. I would highly recommend JoyPlay. I found it just runs slightly better, and you can play it in portrait mode, which is how it's designed. Maldives is kind of capped to being landscape, so the screen's really small, you can't really see that well. So yeah, JoyPlay is definitely the way to do it, but I understand some people would prefer to install something that's on the Google Play Store, which Maldives is. JoyPlay, you have a separate website. So imagine you're on mobile, you're on Android. What you want to do is you want to go over to JoyPlay. And it's just going to take some time to do that. There we are. And you'll see this screen. It used to be on Google Play Store, it isn't anymore, but there is a download button underneath it. So you're going to want to click this, and you'll see we have these options here. I'm just going to zoom in. We have JoyPlay and RPG Maker plugin. You will need to install both of these. Once you've installed JoyPlay and RPG Maker plugin, you might find that your device blocks these downloads because it stops installing from unknown locations like Chrome, for example. Just allow that for these two, and then make sure they're fully installed and you can open JoyPlay properly. Also, obviously, download the files from the Android version and extract these. They need to be extracted for you to be able to use them. Anyway, so yeah, once you've installed JoyPlay, if you go inside it, on the very top right, you'll see a small sort of cross button, and that will let you add the game to be able to play it. In order to actually add the game, you need to go inside the file, and I'll quickly show the file path for this. Cool. So here we go. So this is what you'll see on your phone. I mean, you won't see this. You'll see the zip file. Can I install? No, I can zoom in on the recording software. There we go. So you'll see the Android zip file. You're going to want to extract it on mobile. And you'll open up and you'll see a www file. And if you go in here, this index HTML, this is what you want to select when you're inside JoyPlay or Maldives. This is essentially what runs the game. This is the exe file basically. So once you enjoy play, just hit add game, find your file where you've downloaded your Android package, and make sure you've extracted it so it's not a zip file. Click on index HTML inside the www folder, and the game will be added automatically, and then you can play it from there. That's all you have to do. So yeah, that is everything. I really hope you enjoy the game. Please feel free to give me as much feedback, criticism, anything you want, because this is a demo. Release likely won't be for a while, so if you have any ideas for fixes or items, or just general complaints, let me know now, and I'll be able to fix them for release. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. I really hope you enjoy the game. Like I said, I've worked hard on it, and I hope you enjoy it. So thank you for watching. Hopefully that helps a little bit with the installation process, and yeah, see you later.